And on to story number 2. The Apex Court has come down heavily on the Delhi government over the prevalence of the tanker mafia and water wastage amidst crisis in the national capital. The top court also asked the Delhi government to explain steps taken to prevent water wastage and the action taken against the water mafia. The Delhi government has been directed by the Supreme Court to file an affidavit on the same amidst an acute water crisis during the ongoing heat wave. While pulling up the Kejriwal government, the Supreme Court asked the government if it filed an FIR against the water mafia or not, and also told the AAP government that if it was inefficient to tackle the tanker mafia, then the court could instruct the Delhi police to do the same. Meanwhile, there seems to be no end to politics over the water crisis in the national capital. AAP continues to maintain that the water from Himachal has been stopped by Haryana, leading to a water crisis in Delhi. Listen in.
पीने को पानी को कोई सरकार रोके, चाहे वो हिमाचल सरकार हो, चाहे हरियाणा सरकार हो, चाहे कोई भी सरकार। वाटर मैनेजमेंट हरियाणा के अंदर भी बहुत अच्छा नहीं चला। हरियाणा के शहरों में भी लोग पानी के लिए प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। पीने का पानी हरियाणा को भी मिलना चाहिए और दिल्ली को भी मिलना चाहिए, और अपने अपने हिस्से का पानी किसी को रोकना नहीं चाहिए।
Times Now has also accessed the Haryana government's affidavit filed in the Supreme Court. The response by the Haryana government has pointed out that the present scarcity of water in Delhi is largely created by the AAP government itself. According to Haryana government, the Kejriwal government failed to cut down on its water distribution mismanagement. The government even apprised the court that the state was giving 330 cusecs more water to Delhi than the set quota.
Delhi government, Mr. Kejriwal, when he started his political career, he used to talk about tanker mafia. He used to say that Mrs. Sheila Dixit is in hand in glove, or Delhi government is in hand in glove with the tanker mafia. And now it's other way around. He is in hand in glove with the tanker mafia. They promised London to Delhi, and Delhi is worse than Somalia today.
आज आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने करारा प्रहार किया है, उनके झूठ और नौटंकी का पर्दाफाश किया है। वाटर की स्पिलेज हो जाती है, वाटर टैंकर माफिया को पानी मिल जाता है तो उसे चुराने का काम दिन दहाड़े होता है, और वो भी आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार के संरक्षण में होता है।
पूरा पानी दिल्ली को दे रहे हैं, बल्कि जितना उनका हक है उससे ज्यादा पानी हम दे रहे हैं। अगर हमारा पूरा पानी देने के बाद भी उनको पानी की कमी महसूस होती है तो मैं शुरू से ये कहता रहा हूँ, हमारा स्टैंड यही रहेगा कि वो अपने अंदर के मैनेजमेंट को देखें कि कहाँ कमी है, पानी की कमी नहीं है।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
For more on this, let's go right across to our guest. Joining us with us is Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP. Dr. Akashdeep Bunni is a political analyst joining us. We also have Sanjeev Kaushik, political analyst, with us. Let me start with you first, Dr. Akashdeep Bunni. The courts today have come down very heavily on the tanker mafia that's operating in the national capital. Of course, it's a heated debate between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. There's no denying that. But the fact is that the people of the city are reeling under this. And you have an unfortunate set of politicking going on between political parties. Why has the Delhi government not cracked down on the tanker mafia?
Madhav, I totally agree with you that the very bad politicking is going on between Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party. Now, let me put some facts on the table, and then you will know that who is responsible behind it. There has been alleged that there has been a collusion between tanker mafia and the officials of Delhi government. There has been reduction of tankers deliberate by Delhi Jal Board. Last year, in January 2023, 1,179 tankers were provided by Delhi Jal Board. This year, it was 888. For this, on 14th March, 3rd April and 12th April, the chairperson and Minister Water has written to the Chief Secretary that to increase the number of tankers. Interestingly, still it is not increased as per the last year. It has been, even the minister has gone one step ahead to direct suspension of the officers. Officers, it means the CEO Jal Board and the Chief Secretary, because they are not listening to the instruction given by the minister, which is why the Delhi people are suffering. But interestingly, LG sir has not taken any action against it. Till now, the number of tankers which is provided is less than last year, which has been provided at this particular time. Now, Madhav, you tell me that from where these tanker mafia are getting the tankers. why the same number of tankers is not provided to the common man?
Sir,
Which was
I'm asking a
provided
simple
last year?
question, Dr. Muni. Simple question. I'm quoting verbatim from what the Supreme Court has said. Please respond to this question and don't do whataboutery. The court has said, why were false statements made before this court? Water is coming from Himachal Pradesh. Then where is the water going in Delhi? There is so much spillage, tanker mafia. What measures have you taken in this regard? When the Supreme Court is seeing through the blame game and the suffering of the people of the city, what is your answer to this?
Now I'll tell you. The Honorable Supreme Court also at the same time, if you go down the proceedings, also say that this particular wrong statements have been made because there has been a confusion that does the Haryana government gives the same water that it receives from Himachal to Delhi government or not. Interestingly, the Honorable Supreme Court asked that do you have excess water? And there is no clarification, which is why the Honorable Supreme Court asked that tomorrow, when the Supreme Court will be sitting again, the Yamuna board chief should be present there to substantiate that is the excess water being provided or not.
You've not answered my question, sir. Mr. Muni, I will ask the BJP the questions on Haryana government, but please answer the question on Delhi government. Tanker mafia, wastage, spillage. Is that not the responsibility of the Delhi Jal Board?
Yes, it's a responsibility of Delhi.
So why doesn't the AAP government take onus for that?
I'm telling you. On 14th March, 3rd April and 12th April, the Minister of Water has written to CEO Jal Board to act against its tankers, to increase the number of government tankers and to act against it. Interestingly, the number of tankers provided by the government is still less than last year. It means that why the tankers are less provided? Because
so who controls the Jal Board, sir?
Illegal.
Who controls the Jal Board?
The bureaucrats of Delhi government, controlled by Lieutenant Governor Ji.
So Aam Aadmi Party government has no say. Respond to that. Sanju Verma, two allegations. The allegation is here that the LG is not letting the tankers come out in the large numbers and that Haryana is not releasing the amount of water that it receives from Himachal. 2 points of contention. Please respond.
Madhav, I need my 2-3 minutes because I heard the lies being spewed brazenly and blatantly by Akashdeep Muni, who's obviously a sympathizer of the Aam Aadmi Party. Let me be very clear. I think, Madhav, you made a very interesting point, but very quickly in 20 seconds, your audience needs to hear this. The two-judge vacation bench of the Supreme Court led by Justice Prashant Mishra and Prasanna Varale came down heavily on Arvind Kejriwal's incompetence and on the tanker mafia that has been encouraged brazenly by the Aam Aadmi Party. And I'll read out what the Supreme Court said. Water is coming from Himachal Pradesh, then where is the water going in Delhi? There is so much spillage, tanker mafias, etc. In Delhi, tanker mafias work. Have you taken any action? The Supreme Court, when it said you, it meant the Kejriwal government. Have you taken any action? If you are not taking action, then we will hand it over to Delhi police to take action against tanker mafias. Basically, the Supreme Court, calling out the bluff of Arvind Kejriwal, clearly told the Kejriwal dispensation and his incompetent minister Atishi, who heads the water department, that if you cannot handle the tanker mafia, if you cannot ensure clean drinking water for Delhiites, despite Himachal Pradesh releasing excess water, then please let us know. If you are not able to do your job, the Delhi police will crack down on tanker mafias. So very quickly, 3 points. A, there is no shortage of water. Water has been released by Haryana, by Uttar Pradesh and by Himachal Pradesh. So Atishi's allegation that water is in deficit in Delhi, that is a whole lot of balderdash. Secondly, the Delhi Jal Board vice chairperson is Somnath Bharti, who just lost elections from New Delhi to Bansuri Swaraj. Will Somnath Bharti be held accountable? Yes or no? He's a close confidant of Arvind Kejriwal. Third, the man whose head should roll is Vikramjit Singh. He's the principal engineer of the Delhi Jal Board, appointed by Arvind Kejriwal, and a very close confidant of Kejriwal, Somnath Bharti and Kailash Gehlot. My limited point is this: water comes under Kejriwal's dispensation. Why is Kejriwal, if he's incompetent, if he's not able to run Delhi from the confines of Tihar jail, then like Manish Sisodia, like Satinder Jain, what stops Kejriwal from resigning, putting in his papers and ensuring that the state administration of Delhi is not held to ransom? You sit here and blame the BJP for everything. The Lieutenant Governor is responsible for
Sanjeev Kaushik.
for
Yeah.
police and the Union Home Ministry is responsible for law and order.
Yes.
Water, PWD, sanitation, health, these come under Kejriwal, not under.
I want
the
Sanjeev
AG.
Kaushik to
Yeah,
respond to that.
that's
Sanjeev Kaushik, end of the day, चीफ मिनिस्टर जेल में है, दिल्ली की गवर्नेंस शैम्बल्स में है, और कौन इस पे जिम्मेदारी लेगा?
माधव, ये कहने में कोई गुरेज नहीं है कि दिल्ली का टेम्परेचर 45 से 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस तापमान है। दिल्ली की जनता पानी के लिए त्राहिमाम मचा रही है और दिल्ली सरकार, केंद्र सरकार और कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक गुहार लगा रही है और केंद्र सरकार तू मैं का खेल खेल रही है। सवाल यह है कि यदि हिमाचल प्रदेश से जो 137 क्यूसेक पानी छोड़ने की बात थी, कहा गया, कोर्ट ने कहा कि ये पानी छोड़ा जाए और हरियाणा के माध्यम से वो दिल्ली तक पहुंचे। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सारी बातों को आप यहाँ पे कोर्ट करते हुए देख रहे हैं, आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों के द्वारा, या आप भी कोर्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक चीज आपसे छूट रही है, वो ये छूट रही है कि हिमाचल प्रदेश की सरकार हलफनामा देती है और कहती है कि हमने पानी छोड़ दिया है और उनके वकील कहते हैं कि आप हमें बताएं, हम छोड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं। और दिल्ली सरकार यही तो कह रही है कि जो हमें लगभग 1050 क्यूसेक पानी चाहिए था, वो 200 क्यूसेक पानी कम मिल रहा है मुझे लगातार, जिसके चलते ये हाहाकार की स्थिति है। तो ये पानी अभी तक हमारे पास नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है और इस पानी की किल्लत की वजह से स्थिति पैदा हुई है। अब ठीक है, ये बात सही है कि कहीं यदि पानी का रिसाव हो रहा हो, पानी बर्बाद हो रहे हो, टैंकर माफिया है, कोर्ट ने कहा कि पुलिस को हम बोलेंगे इस पर कार्रवाई करने के लिए। दिल्ली सरकार ने कहा स्वागत है, ऐसे टैंकर माफिया पर तो कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, लेकिन जहां अधिकारी ही मिली भगत हो, दिल्ली सरकार की कुछ नहीं चलती हो, केंद्र सरकार ने हाथ और पांव दोनों काट लिए कि नहीं, ये अधिकारी आपके हिस्से में नहीं है।
सर, दिल्ली सरकार कोई राजनीति नहीं कर रही, टैंकर माफियाओं के खिलाफ एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया जा रहा है, ये बताइए। टैंकर माफिया क्या एलजी चला रहे हैं? टैंकर माफिया के खिलाफ तो एक्शन लिया जा सकता है। संजीव जी, आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
टैंकर माफिया के खिलाफ एक्शन ली जा सकती है, तो यदि ऐसा लगता है, एलजी साहब को यदि ऐसा लगता है कि एलजी साहब, ये बात, पहली बात तो ये कि एलजी साहब एक पक्ष होकर के बात करते हैं, वो ऐसा लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वो एजेंट जैसे बात करते हैं। एलजी साहब अपने गरिमा को बचाए रखें, कम से कम दिल्ली की जनता के
दिल्ली सरकार क्या कर रही है, ये बताइए कि दिल्ली सरकार क्या कर रही है? यही स्पिलेज पर सरकार है कि यदि स्पिलेज पे अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट सवाल उठा रही है, टैंकर माफिया पे सवाल उठा रही है, तो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट को तो अल्टीमेटली गवर्नेंस दिखानी पड़ेगी। अच्छी बात है, आपने लेटर लिखा हरियाणा को और वो मैटर भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने है, लेकिन बात यह है कि यहाँ पे गवर्नेंस की जहां तक बात आती है, कहीं ना कहीं दिल्ली सरकार यहाँ पे फेल होती दिख रही है।
I need to make a quick rebuttal, माधव।
मैंने कहा कि दिल्ली सरकार की बात यदि यहाँ के प्रशासनिक अधिकारी माने तब तो, वो तो अधिकारी अधीन में है ही नहीं।
अच्छा, अधिकारी are not listening. संजू वर्मा, the persons who are the officials are not listening.
लड़ने की बात होती है सचिव।
Madhav, I need my time. I did not heckle whoever this gentleman is. Let's be very clear about one thing. आप यदि अकाउंटेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले दिल्ली जल बोर्ड वाइस चेयरपर्सन सोमनाथ भारती को कहिए इस्तीफा दे या उन्हें कहिए घर जाएं। Second point, do you remember a man called Bhupinder June? He is a MLA of the Kejriwal dispensation. He's a lawyer and he's a very seasoned politician. What did Bhupinder Singh June say last year? He said that work order pass हो गए हैं, allocation हो गया है पैसे का डिसबर्समेंट भी हो गया है, पर दिल्ली जल बोर्ड की इनकॉम्पिटेंस के चलते दिल्ली के वासियों को नाली का गंदा बदबूदार मैला पानी पीना पड़ रहा है। These are his words. He used the word नाली का गंदा मैला
Well, very shocking state of affairs. Very shocking state of affairs. We'll have to leave it there. Sanju Verma, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, Sanjeev Kaushik. The only thing that we can say is that the entire country is watching at the moment as Delhi is parched, as Delhi is thirsty, waiting for water in the peak of summer. The temperature is touching 49 and 50 degrees, but the politicians certainly aren't making the situation any better. And I think the court's observations are quite clear as to what really is happening on ground. We certainly will watch out what happens in the courts tomorrow when it comes to this issue. For the moment, thanks so much for joining us.